Seeds and nuts are excellent additions to any diet, offering numerous health benefits. Rich in essential nutrients, they help protect against chronic diseases. Sunflower seeds, in particular, are packed with high-quality minerals, healthy fats, and powerful plant compounds that can prevent various illnesses. They contain vitamin E, selenium, niacin, magnesium, fiber, and zinc, all crucial for overall health. Men, who are generally at a higher risk for diet-related diseases, can especially benefit from sunflower seeds. Here are 5 surprising benefits that should inspire you to add sunflower seeds to your next grocery list. 1. Improved sexual function. Eating sunflower seeds not only helps build muscle but also enhances sexual performance. Rich in vitamin E, L-arginine, and omega-3 fatty acids, they boost sexual desire and improve blood flow. Vitamin E, in particular, supports heart health and relaxes blood vessels, which can increase libido. You can enjoy these benefits by adding sunflower seeds to yogurt and salads, or mixing them with other seeds like peanuts and walnuts, which may also help with erectile dysfunction. 2. Decreased inflammation. Inflammation is one of the factors that highly contributes to the emergence of several types of chronic illnesses like type 2 diabetes and heart diseases. Sunflower seeds have a notable amount of vitamin E, which has high anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities that can help decrease the symptoms of inflammation and chronic diseases. This amazing seed also contains plant compounds like flavonoids, which have been proven to help reduce the factors that can add to inflammation symptoms. This can in the long run assist in combating cancer and certain cardiovascular diseases. 3. Beneficial for good skin. Glowing skin is another sunflower seed benefit for men. Having healthy skin as a man will not only make you more attractive, but it can also enhance your confidence. Sunflower seeds contain antifungal and antibacterial properties that can help ward off skin infections. Sunflower seeds also possess linoleic and oleic acids, which are great for the production of elastin and collagen. This can help your body accelerate the process of wound healing and protect your skin from unwanted scar formation. 4. Strong immune system. A strong immune system is essential for good health, and sunflower seeds are a great way to support it. Rich in selenium, zinc, and vitamin E, these seeds help protect against infections and bacteria. Vitamin E boosts immune response, zinc shields the body from harmful pathogens, and selenium enhances immunity by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Additionally, vitamin E may improve well-being by enlarging blood vessels and preventing clots. 5. Decrease the cancer risks and symptoms. While no foods are proven to prevent cancer, a healthy diet can help reduce certain cancer risks. Sunflower seeds contain beta-sitosterol, which may help prevent breast cancer and other cancers like colon, stomach, prostate, and lung cancers by reducing inflammation. Sunflower seeds also offer other benefits for men, including improved mood, brain function, and concentration. They support weight management due to their fiber content and help combat anemia with their high iron levels, essential for producing red blood cells. Sunflower seeds are a must for men, offering benefits like enhanced sexual function, better heart health, and increased energy. Including them in your diet can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and improve overall quality of life. However, consume them in moderation to avoid issues like constipation and stomach aches.